In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address on MailChimp. Whether you've switched to a new email or just need to update your contact information, I'll walk you through the process step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to update your email address quickly and securely. Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to MailChimp.com. Once the page is loaded, look to the upper right corner of the screen and you'll see a login button. Go ahead and click on that. Now enter your current credentials, the email and password you're already using to access your MailChimp account, and log in. Once you've logged in successfully, you should land on your account dashboard. From here, take a look at the upper right corner of the screen again. You'll see your profile icon. Click on that to open a drop-down menu. In that menu, find the option labeled Account and Billing and select it. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various account settings, including your contact information. Now that you're on the Account and Billing page, look for the Settings tab. Click on it and a list of options will appear. From that list, you'll want to select Contact Information. This is where you'll find all the details associated with your MailChimp account, including your current email address. Next to your current email address, you'll see an Edit button. Click on that and you'll be brought to a form where you can input your new email address. This is where you'll type in the email address you want to use moving forward. Be sure to double-check the spelling of your new email address to avoid errors. Once you've entered your new email address, you'll need to confirm your identity before making the change. To do this, MailChimp will ask you to enter your current password in the designated field. This step is important for security purposes, as it ensures that only the rightful account owner can make changes to critical information like the email address. After you've entered your password, click the Save button to confirm the changes. At this point, MailChimp will send a verification email to the new email address you just provided. To complete the process, you'll need to access that email and follow the instructions in the message. So, open the inbox of your new email address. Sometimes it can take a minute or two for the email to arrive, so be patient. Also, don't forget to check your spam or junk folder, just in case the email ends up there by mistake. Once you've located the email from MailChimp, open it and look for the verification link. Click that link and MailChimp will finalize the update. And that's it. You've successfully changed your email address on MailChimp. From now on, all communications from MailChimp will be sent to your updated email address. So you're all set. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.